तो हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम देखने वाले हैं महिंद्रा XUV 7XO का 2026 फेसलिफ्ट मॉडल। ये स्टार्ट होता है फ्रॉम 13.66 lakhs एक्स शोरूम एंड गोस अप टू 25 lakh एक्स शोरूम कर्नाटका। इधर हम देखने वाले एक 70 मॉडल, मगर महिंद्रा XUV 7XO में AX3, AX5 एंड AX7 एंड AX70 एंड AX7L मॉडल मिलता है। बहुत रियल व्हील ड्राइव एंड ऑल व्हील ड्राइव में। अगर ऑल व्हील ड्राइव में है तो 4 लाख एक्स्ट्रा पड़ेगा। सो वी आर हैविंग a diesel engine 2.2 liter which gives 180 bhp and around 420 to 450 nm torque. Here we give the lane keep assist sensors and we give the aero twin wipers. We get 360 degree camera at AX70 model. We get the chrome lining at the window here with a gloss back seat. A side look of Mahindra XUV 7XO with the length of 4.5 meter and the wheelbase is around 2.7 meters. इसमें LED headlamps आते हैं same as before with high beam and low beam with turn indicators, and we get the crystal dual fog lamps here. We get the ADAS level 2 in the AX70 model also. We get a 360 degree camera which placed at here and both at ORVMs. We get the aero twin wipers, not the regular model wipers. Here we get the turn indicators, and here we get the 18-inch wheels with profile R235 60 R18 with diamond cut 18-inch wheels as Goodyear tire, and the new only introduced suspension which Mahindra tells is very comfortable and firstly introduced in the Mahindra XUV 7XO. Door handle is open. We get a new design of beige and brown color interior with the Harman Kardon 16 speakers. We get the 3 seat adjustment modes as memory seats which we can adjust backward and forward. Here we get the door handles, the speaker placement and memory function seats, and the door is very heavy. Here we see. Here we get the automatic parking brake and auto hold, and we get the music controls. Here we get the new steering wheel at Mahindra XUV 7XO with the same speedometer as before. Here we have music system controls, and here speedometer and cruise control systems with the 12.3 inch and 12.3 inch infotainment system. Before we had 10.25 inch systems, but now we have 12.3 inch systems with the automatic speedometer same as before. Iska distance trip. Here we get sunshade as nothing is available here, but in here we get mirror plus light, and we get a panoramic sunroof. Which is quite big. At LED room light and sunglass holder, and the SOS function is also available at XUV 7XO. Here we get 6-speed automatic speed manual gearbox at both petrol and diesel version. Here we get some space, and here get USB and Type-C charging ports, and wireless charger is also available here, and the parking light and the camera sensors is also available. Here we get the armrest with quite space, and the new Mahindra XUV 7XO key, which is quite similar to Mahindra BE6 and the new Mahindra 7-seater SUVs. We go to the rear seats and check the comfort of it. We also get the speaker placement up down, and we get tweeter and speakers both. We get total 16 speakers. Here we get the lumbar seat adjustment, and all are manual, but we get automatic at AX7L model with the seat adjustment at 4 row backward and 4 row. इधर हमको वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स मिलेंगे चारों सीट्स में. We get a door pocket and some mobile holding with 65 volt charging, and we get the rear AC vents with the wireless charger. We get the manual sitting position adjustment where AX7L gets the automatic one. Here we get the captain seats with armrest. we get the handle and the LED headlamp. Now we are going to the rear seats of Mahindra XUV 7XO. Here we get the one touch down seat adjustment. Now let's check the rear seat adjustment capacity. Here we get quite leg room and knee room. My height is 5'11", as you can see little bit. Here we get both AC vents at third row with a bottle holder and the charging socket as 12 volt, and we get the AC vents here also. To go out from the third row, we have to just open it at one touch up down seats. Here we get 60-liter fuel tank at both petrol and diesels. And here this is the tailgate of here we get also the AX7T badging and XUV 7XO badging. It's quite similar like MG models like Hector and Gloster. They have same badging like this. High mount stop lamp मिलेंगे और air washer and LED tail lamp with indicator and reverse parking lights and AX7T का badging और AX7XO. Open it tailgate, we have to just press it. We get camera and LED light for the number plate. It's quite lightweight, as Mahindra says that it is made up of fiber. Here we get around 280 liter of boot space with the adjustment of headrest about. So we have to just press it and the seats will go right like this. It becomes quite boot space to carry luggage for long trips as with 4 or 5 passengers. Here we get an boot lamp here. We also get the 4 parking sensors at the back with the dual tone hook is placed here is the reflectors, and we get the twin exhaust, and the spare wheel is also 18-inch steel rims. We also get an rear wiper in this model also. तो ये शोरूम का मैनेजर है. आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम प्रदीप.
थैंक यू. ये शोरूम का मैनेजर है. आप इनसे पूछेंगे कि बुकिंग इसका बुकिंग अमाउंट कितना है?
सर इसका 7XO का बुकिंग अमाउंट है 21,000.
मॉडल रेस्पेक्टिव है कि सिर्फ पूरा वेरिएंट के लिए? शोरूम किधर पड़ेगा?
ये इधर नज़दीक है, उडुपी हाईवे है ना, NH में. NH आपको अंबलपाड़ी लोकेशन है, अंबलपाड़ी बोल के. इधर इस तरफ से बेंगलुरु तरफ से आने के समय किन्नी मुल्की मिलता है. किन्नी मुल्की के बाद अंबलपाड़ी. आपको कुंदापुर साइड से आने के समय करावड़ी जंक्शन, आफ्टर दैट अंबलपाड़ी हाईवे में है.